In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Adobe Express. We'll walk through a simple workflow that helps you go from a blank canvas to a polished, on-brand newsletter that's ready to impress. I'll keep it clear and practical, and along the way, I'll share tips to make your design look clean and professional. Start by opening Adobe Express. On the home screen, select Create New, then go to Templates. In the search bar, type Newsletter. This instantly pulls up a gallery of professionally designed layouts. Browsing templates first saves time because the structure is already done for you, and you can focus on tailoring it to your content instead of building from scratch. Pick a layout that matches your needs, whether it's for a business update, a school recap, or a personal project. Think about your audience and how much content you plan to include. If you have lots of short pieces, a multi-column layout keeps things tidy. If you have one main story or a large photo, a bold, single-column design might be better. Choose the template that naturally fits the amount of text and imagery you'll use. Now, click directly on the text boxes to start customizing. Add a clear, compelling headline that tells readers exactly what this issue is about. Use section titles to break up topics and keep body text concise and scannable. Short paragraphs and simple sentences go a long way. If the template has placeholder text you don't need, delete it to reduce clutter and keep the layout breathable. Next, upload your images or logos and drag them into place. Use high-resolution files so they look sharp in print and on screen. Replace any placeholder photos by dragging your image onto the existing frame, which keeps the proportions intact. Crop and reposition to highlight the subject, and try to maintain consistent image styles so the newsletter feels cohesive. Finally, customize your fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand or theme. Choose one headline font and one body font for a clean, unified look. Adjust size, line spacing, and letter spacing to improve readability. Aim for enough white space so the page doesn't feel cramped. Set colors that align with your brand palette and maintain strong contrast for accessibility. Dark text on a light background is a safe bet. Use alignment tools to keep edges tidy and maintain consistent margins across sections. And that's it. By starting with the right template, refining your text, adding strong visuals, and dialing in your typography and colors, you'll have a professional newsletter in no time.